In this video, we're going to go over the portable air scrubber. This unit weighs 35 pounds and has a variable flow rate from 200 to 750 cubic feet per minute. The scrubber pulls air through filters to remove particles from dust, fumes, and smoke. It has 2 stages with a filter for each. A filter change light will come on if filters are obstructed and need replacement. The air scrubber can be used with a variety of filters. The first stage air filter is a 1-inch coarse particulate fiber trapper 1.0 pre-filter. The second stage air filter is a 2-inch pleated particulate pre-filter. The scrubber also features a high-efficiency particulate air HEPA filter. This type of filter traps particles as well as odors, vapors, and gases. It operates on standard 110-volt current and has a built-in 12-amp circuit breaker. The manufacturer recommends plugging into a GFCI protected outlet. The scrubber is designed for ordinary indoor use. It should not be used to exhaust hazardous or explosive materials and vapors. Do not use the scrubber near sparks or open flames. Turn the scrubber off before changing filters. To start, turn the scrubber on by twisting the speed control switch past high, then move the speed control to the desired setting. Once you have completed the air scrubbing process, please turn off the unit. At Sunbelt Rentals, we rent the tools and equipment customers need to accomplish anything they want to do. I hope this basic operational guide to the air scrubber has given you all the information you'll need. For further information, please contact us at 1-844-SBR-TOOL. Thanks for watching.